with this?
Yeah.
Right, okay. I'm just going to, you're going to play through a few times, so I'm going to make sure the levels are right and all that malarkey.
Yeah, that's cool.
Right, that sounds fucking awesome.
That sounds fucking gnarly, that does.
I can't believe that little amp is kicking that out. Crazy. Right, anyway, what I want to do,
Yeah.
you've got two sounds here. I want to record
Yeah.
them separately if that's possible.
Yeah, that's cool.
So let's start with the cleaner of the two.
Okay.
Just means I can get nice levels on both, really.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'll run it from the top of the track.
Okay.
Whoa.
Fucking hell, that is awesome.
How was that?
Sounds sick.
Sweet, yeah.
Cool. Fucking come every week, you can, mate. Fucking piece of piss.
You can tell a well rehearsed band the mile off, guys. That's mint.
Yeah.
Really good.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Right, hey guys. So, you saw the outside. We're at Georgian Dragon in Belper. This is our bedroom for the next 3 nights, 4 days. There's a bed.
That's my bed.
That's Martin's bed. This is Liam's bed, and that's Willem's bed. You can hang coats here. Here you can have a rest on the chair. There's a
Eats porridge oats.
Scott's so easy.
How nice of them to leave this with a...
It's so easy. There's a kettle for hot drinks.
Just stop recording now.
And there's a TV on the wall. And a hairdryer in case any of us get wet.
fucking room.
Bedside table for anything we need.
Yep. This is basically the room. Thank God we've got separate beds.
There is, if you'd like to follow me this way, there's also a bathroom. Oh shit, no, you've got to capture that on film. Watch this. Watch this.
Wait a sec. I've got my fucking
No,
arse
watch
over
this,
it.
watch this.
Oh, no.
Does
Very
that
nice.
not look fucking good?
Yeah, not only that,
Yeah.
but free towels. Free towels.
Here you can enjoy a nice hot shower to get clean after a dirty day's work. Towels. There's a sink and a mirror.
It's actually. Should we lift it up so it's actually.
Yeah, if there's poo marks, I'll be mad. No, we're safe. There's no poo marks.
We're good.
A tampon and a sanitary towel,
Yeah.
just in case one of us has an accident.
Yep. But there you go. Here is Liam.
Toilet roll holder on the wrong way. It's alright, I fixed it. There's a bin and another bin. So here we have our view. We're in Belper.
Where's mine? What's going on? There he is.
Just to let you know as well, there's no smoking allowed inside this building, as stated by the sign. And this place also has 5 out of 5 hygiene rating.
Martin, why are you acting so weird?
We also have some lovely portraits in the room.
Teacup. More
Nah.
mugs. A jug.
Yeah, they definitely don't look fucking wonky.
Any people with OCD are getting mad at this point. There's also 2 nice ones there, and 5
Check them
placed very nicely at the headrest.
Very nice. Very nice, if I do say so myself.
Well done, Martin. You were really good at the drums today.
You boys ready to bounce? Get some food?
Probably not.
No.
No.
Just gonna stay here, watch a film. Just there. Get cozy.
With the box of tissues.
That. Oh yeah. This guy is just so chill. Just look at him. He is just fucking curly whirly chill. Let's bounce. Let's get food. Right, we're currently looking for somewhere to eat. The guy at our digs recommended this
Accommodation.
yeah, digs accommodation. Yeah, recommended like this pub that's supposed to be quite nice and like pretty reasonable and shit, but we can't find it. Fucking wandering around.
We've come up this beautiful road. Like you'll see some of the cinematic shots that will probably sneak in certain places. You'll see it like proper cobbled street. All the houses are dead small and like just old looking. And there was like a bridge overlooking a railway that looked sick as well. But apart from that, there's no food around here.
No, I mean, if you look around, it's like, yes, lads, you have royally fucked up.
Like we're out in the sticks, boys.
Yeah,
We're out in the sticks.
we're out in the sticks.
Sticks.
Apparently Martin's going to give us the best blowjob of our life.
Wait, are you recording this?
Yes.
He just told me he was going to give me the best blowjob of my life because he knows all the techniques. Because
Yeah.
he knows all the techniques apparently.
Look at you go. Sexy boy.
Find out.
Yeah. Good. Oh, this is like college days now.
Fucking off
Back at Mozza's.
back
I swear they've changed the logo. That looks different
Nah,
to me.
that's an old one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, look at it, it just looks old, doesn't it?
I suppose it does.
1899.
Don't it, big?
So Morrison's has been going 118 years.
Must have.
Morrison's fair play. Shout out.
Look at you go.
Nearly got one
The
over.
troopers.
Shout out to Morrison.
Right, let's see what they got. Just looking for a movie. Martin's tired, so he's going to go back and watch a film.
The amazing.
And me and Will are going to go and play pool.
Getting flicky with it. Bob the Builder.
Mate,
Dig this.
Nice.
Dig
All the
this.
classics. It's a film called Pet.
Smurfs.
Legend, that's alright. If you haven't seen it, you'd enjoy it.
No, I haven't seen it, mate.
Yeah, that'd be alright.
I feel like.
I feel like that's an acceptable film to watch, and you're in like a, whatever you want to fucking call it, in a place to sleep. I don't know what you call it, because it's not a B&B, but it's like saying in a pub just sounds weird.
To be fair.
Oh, it's basically just a hotel, but there's a pub downstairs.
It's basically a B&B without the second B.
Yeah, it's just a bed.
Yeah.
Mr. Man. The complete classic
Classic.
collection.
Absolute classic.
Absolute rancid classic. Absolute.
Oh, Will, there's your dad.
Where's my dad?
Hey, Darren.
David Brent. Banter. Sorry, Dad.
Planet of Sharks.
Sorry, you're out, mate. Sorry, you're out. Wait, no. Pokemon, Hooper, and the Clash of Ages. That
Oh,
bad man film. Watch it.
Bad Man.
Fucking
Rabbit
sick.
School.
Look how big
Look.
Hooper is.
got big Cooper is.
How big Hooper is. Mate, Ash is
Massive.
fucking. Ash is fucking himself.
I might
Shitting
buy
himself.
Teenage
But
Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Pikachu's like shit, man. Don't worry, I got your back. I got your back, bro. He said, "I'll let you cool down."
your behind.
We're so cringe.
They've got Deadpool, to be fair.
Oh, I've got that there.
Deadpool's sick.
9 Lives. I've seen
Kung
that.
Fu Panda 3. I ain't
Have
seen
you guys seen The Revenant? Because I started watching it, I got bored.
Yeah, I've watched it. It's a good film, mate.
You what? You got bored?
Yeah,
I swear you just get bored of films that are actually good.
they're obviously not there.
I'm probably going to get slated by people who don't think The Revenant's good.
fair,
I
that's-
ain't even watched
To
it.
be fair,
It's just got Leonardo DiCaprio.
that's the
in it.
minority, but
Sorted.
Turn
just felt like quite a
around.
slow film.
Pets.
We're not watching Pets.
I'm buying pets. I'm buying pets.
You
What
fucking
about
serious?
Outlaws? That
Is
looks
he
kind
actually buying pets?
I'm buying pets.
This looks kind of homoerotic. We could watch Outlaws. You know, cowboys and stuff.
Yeah, man.
An impressive achievement. Apparently.
Get Trolls, mate. It's only a tenner.
I ain't seen this yet.
Kung Fu Panda.
I didn't even know there was a Kung Fu
But it's
Panda
the,
2.
yeah, but this is the awesome edition.
Oh no.
So it probably comes with like that
Too much awesome for me, mate. I just want the mellow
Boys.
moderate edition.
Boys,
Nice to think Guinness World Records is still going strong.
this is what tonight's going to be.
Oh yeah,
You know it.
I know
Sausage
it.
party. Because we're blokes. And we're going to be sharing a room
And we're gonna have a party.
with sausages.
With sausages.
Get this and then I'll be sorted.
This is what I'm going to do. This is what Liam's going to call me after tonight. The infiltrator.
I cannot wait.
Right, I'm sorting this.
American
We're
honey.
not watching Pets.
I'm watching pets.
We're not watching
So
Pets.
you buy your own film if you want to watch. I'm buying pets.
We're not watching Pets.
I'm buying pets.
Well, you can buy it, but we're not watching
I'm
it.
watching
So
it. So I'm watching.
you can go downstairs and watch it for yourself.
Oh, I'm watching pets.
Yeah, it's fair. We're gonna go play some pool.
Probably, because Marty wants to go
Yeah.
back to the room and watch Pets.
I just know we're gonna walk in and like Jack
Probably.
to pets.
Probably. So,
Will has a story.
Malteser, malt Easter, chocolate bunny with the crunchy shit in the middle, right? 30p each.
I'm just saying. I'm looking at the size, and I think 30p is kind of what I'd expect
No,
it to be.
but think about this. 29 grams each, right? That's just under 90 grams for all of them.
Yeah.
Right, I'm not doing the specific maths because I don't want to sound fucking dumb. Right? A quid, not even that, 90p. I got 10p change.
Yeah.
3 malt Easters.
Maltesers, mate.
That's what it says on the thing.
Oh, is that
malt
literally
Easter, yeah.
Oh, I see what they've done there.
Milk chocolate
Very
bunny
good.
with crunchy and creamy Malteser centre.
Well done, Nestle.
It's not Nestle, mate. It's Malteser.
That's why they're made by Mars, aren't they?
Nope. Malteser's its own thing.
You sure?
Yeah.
This includes 3 mini movies.
Alright, I'll find out.
Oh, look at that. That's proper fucking.
Oh no, it is Mars. Fair play.
Yeah.
Mars Nutrition.
That bastard of the band knows his chocolate.
Oh, he's from Ireland, Dublin. Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Shout out.
3 for 90p. Hit up Morrison's. Yeah, man. Hit up Morrison's.
We need fucking murder train from fucking How I Met Your Murder.
30p for 1, 90p for 3. Banging deal.
Mine's cutting down, he only got the one. But you got the movie.
Yeah, but I got pets as well, so.
Let's have a look. Just to actually acknowledge the fact that you spent £7
Yeah,
on
but
a
it
fucking kids film.
includes 3 mini movies, and it's great fun for all ages.
Oh, you're right, mate. Great, great.
Look at that. Look at that. That's fucking sick. And guess what? It tastes good too.
Right, Martin's shattered. Doing all the drums. So we're gonna go downtown. We've been told about this sort of pool sort of place. So if we find it, we can afford it, then we're gonna play some pool.
Play some pool, girls.
Lead the way, fam.
Cheers, babe. We'll go this way. Got you a thin one because I know it's what you
They might be funny about me filming in here, but I'm just gonna get a shot of it. So they might get funny about me filming in here if it's private.
What's a fiver?
If it's private. There we go.
I'm a wizard and this is my staff. Expelliarmus. Expecto Patronus. Charm.
Now try and put a ball.
No, because you've still got a shot.
Have I?
Yeah. I want to film your shot, right? Basically, Liam has to get this one in, otherwise he's going to go buy me a drink. No, I'm kidding. But you have to get it in, because you're on camera now, so there's pressure. Was that mine?
Thought it felt shit.
How funny, man.
No pressure.
No pressure whatsoever. That was really good.
Thank you.
What do you say? What do you say, Liam?
Thank you.
It's alright, mate.
I did say it.
You're welcome.
It's on camera to prove.
You're welcome.
That was really bad.
Look how, oh. You kind of ruined it now.
Cool, Bill.
No, I don't want to do it on camera. So bad.
Right, the comedy starts here.
I'm yellow tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now time for your comedy of the evening.
Yeah, now it's time for a laugh. I'm coming back now. So I'm actually doing the carry on.
I'm coming back, he said.
You can cut now.
We've just finished up playing pool. Do you know what the name of the actual place was?
It's the Q Club. It's Jax's Q Club.
Yeah.
The Q Club in Belper.
Yeah, the dude at the thing, a lad called Scott, literally like free drinks. And when he found out we were like in the band, he was literally like, should have been like 12 quid for the 2 hours, and he literally just did it for 3 quid each. Just sound as
So
fuck.
we had a fucking cracking night of pool for 3 quid each.
Martin's missing out, man.
Martin's missing out.
Man, missing that because for a pillow.
For a pillow.
I mean, if Martin came down, that'd have been what, 2 quid each?
Yeah, 2 quid each.
And 2 quid each.
Hopefully we'll get him out tomorrow night and he'll be...
Yeah.
Wow, you'll see him in the vlog tomorrow. We're about to head
Yeah.
off back to bed now.
We'll drag him out with us tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely.
So anyway, this is pretty much just signing off, I'd say, for tonight.
Yeah, for today.
I might get a tiny bit of Martin if he's like asleep, and we'll like do shit to him. But other than that,
Day
that's
one
it.
complete.
Day one complete. Right, see you soon, guys.